Welcome to Vdara, room 48048. Got a panoramic suite. Let's go check it out. All right. As soon as you walk in, you got a nice hallway and actually a kind of a foyer where you got all our stuff stuffed in there. So I'm not gonna show that area too much. All right, got master switches on the wall, controls all the lighting. Let's turn those up a little bit. And if you can see on the map right here, we are all the way on the end. So if you're planning on staying here, this is pretty high up. And if you are afraid of heights, I would probably suggest not staying in this room because it's way up here. I got a nice view of I-15 South, Allegiant Stadium, and South Vegas. Some nice wall art there. You'll see these throughout the room. These control the blinds. So you can open and close them without doing it manually. So in this suite, you get a full kitchen, 4 chairs, a table. You actually get a dishwasher. It's a small one. Keurig. And you can ask for kitchenware if you need it. Maybe if you're staying here for an extended period, you could use this as home. There is a cooktop and a microwave. Got a fully stocked mini fridge, as well as a full-size refrigerator. That's our stuff. We shopped at Aria Patisserie before we came. And a nice freezer in there. Okay, let's keep moving. So as you can see, there's 2 entrances to the living area, I guess you could call it. Get a full-size sofa. Nice little chair. Places to put your drinks and food. And this couch does fold out. We will be using that. So you could sleep extra people in this room if you need. And the cool thing about it is, you get your own TV as well. And I do believe they have a media hub. Let's see if I can brighten that up a little bit so you can see it. There's a media hub down here. So you can plug in HDMI, VGA, memory cards. There's extra outlets, USB ports. So again, if you're staying here for a long period of time, or maybe you have kids, this is an excellent hotel room to come to. And it's a non-gaming hotel, but it is close to a casino. It's basically connected to Aria. It's connected to Cosmopolitan and Bellagio via indoor walkway. Aria, you do have to walk outside, but it's a very short walk to get there. Okay, so into the bedroom area, and a nice cloudy window, door, pocket door, sliding door, so you can get a little privacy there. There's the phone for the room. You got plug-ins on both sides of the bed. Your thermostat for this room is right here. Some nice reading lights, king-size bed, and a telly. Once again, there's the drapes, buttons. This room is awesome. I mean, it's called Panoramic Suite for a reason. There's windows all around it. So if you want nice views of Vegas, this is a great room to stay in, especially this one because it's on the end. All the end rooms are the panoramic suites, I do believe. All right, this iPad right here, actually, you can order food here, like the patisserie, you can order it and go pick it up. I think they actually bring it to you as well. But downstairs in Vdara, there's a smaller version of the patisserie. They got their own little kind of store, and they do sell some of the pastries like the patisserie over in Aria has. So if you don't want to go to Aria, you can go right downstairs and get it here. But yeah, you can do a lot of things with this tablet. You can check out a cabana, you get news, and this does come out. Check out your pools. If you stay at Vdara, you have access to Aria pool also, which is really nice because the water at Aria is heated in the winter, and they do have it open. So yeah, pretty cool, handy little device. Let's go into the bathroom. Again, there's plenty of views out here. You can soak in this nice big bathtub and watch the Vegas sky. Double sink. Nice walk-in shower. It has a bench in there. I like it when they put those in. You actually have room to put your shampoo and conditioner instead of on this little shelf that they put on the wall. There's your toilet. And over here is a vanity. Full-size mirror and this little door. Got a nice little closet. And then there's another closet right here. Extra pillows and blankets, robes. They're complimentary to use while you're here. I think you can purchase them if you like it that much. There's your safe. Ironing boards in there, and a couple pair of complimentary slippers that you can take with you at no charge. So if you want more of a private area, you can close this door off. You can close the other door off, so you got your own bedroom, and you got the frosted glass to keep you private. One more thing I forgot to mention. Let's go back this way. Oh, here's the thermostat for the living area. One more thing I forgot to mention is this room is equipped with a washer and dryer. So again, you're staying here for a long extended period of time, or maybe you got kids. We think it's definitely handy when we come because we actually use it. So we don't have to pack too many clothes. Just makes it nice and handy so you can not have to overstuff your suitcases and travel light. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Panoramic Suite here at Vdara. We are seeking paradise together. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment. Let us know if you stayed at Aria or Vdara. We also like Aria as well, but we are here at Vdara. Let us know if you stayed here, and if you like it. We love it in this hotel. It's one of our favorites. Have a great day.